Hello, welcome to another episode of Confessions of an Ag Teacher Educator. This is the Youth Development Series. This is week 8, halfway point of the semester, and what a week it's been. I mean, I think it's obvious that I'm not posting daily episodes this week, but just one for the week as far as the confessions, and that it's like at the end of the day after the second session, I could say at the last minute for me to get this out because so much craziness and fun was happening this week as we worked on developing the conceptualization of SAE. I am so proud of my students. I am proud that they didn't let fear overcome them. They didn't freeze. They rolled up their sleeves, they jumped in, and they began to understand how much more they need to learn in order to successfully use this teaching tool of supervised agricultural experience, of work-based learning, to help a 14 or 15-year-old, an adolescent, see its power and opportunity. I'm proud of that. I wanted to take a moment in this confession just to kind of talk through how we chose to approach this at Penn State in this class. First, a reminder, this is a class of teacher candidates and non-teacher candidates. It's about youth development through program and structure. In most institutions, this might be called the FFA SAE class. And we do use that context repeatedly and frequently. So when we begin to look at this structure of supervised ag experience, what training and preparation was given prior to being told, conduct a visit? None. I shouldn't say none. They were provided one reading, the 2016 Guiding Principles for SAE from the Council. They were provided that on a Thursday and told when you come to class on, no, they were provided that last Tuesday. When you come to class on Thursday, you need to know this stone cold. You need to understand it. When they came to class last Thursday, they had a guest speaker, a great ag teacher named Neil Fellenbaum. And he basically said, hey, I'm an ag teacher. I do SAE. How can I help you? Because we created felt need with an authentic experience on Tuesday of you'll be sitting down for 90 minutes with a high school freshman explaining SAE as a career goal. What do you need to know? Then on Tuesday, that event happened. It was glorious, exciting, and real. Awkward at times, enlightening at times. Where really are the thoughts of a student when we start talking about agricultural careers to a 15-year-old? After the 2-hour class session, those students, we made sure that they were going to have fun no matter what. So even if we had an awkward bomb session, there's not a test at the end. We're going to put them on the trolley, see the Penn State campus, making sure that we reinforce the importance of being tied to career pathways and career opportunities. These 28 freshmen were the only high school freshmen, the only high school students allowed to attend the Penn State College of Agricultural Sciences Career Fair. And so they went there, and 2 or 3 students were paired with a volunteer AEE 311 student. This wasn't part of the mandate experience, but they wanted to be with the kids because why do you take an ag ed class? Why do you major in ag ed? You major in it because you love kids. And they showed them around for an hour, and then we ate pizza and sent them home. And then today we began to unpack it. We unpacked it. We talked about what we needed to do. Why we SAE? What did the teachers get out of it? What did the students get out of it? And then we had the chance to listen to a 40-year veteran, Keith Gunlight from Wisconsin. Now, I have 4 additional 2-hour instructional sessions where we'll continue to unpack, look at the scaffolding and instruction and understanding. Because if we understand why, we can find and innovate on how. We can change and be adaptive. We can meet the needs of not only our communities, but of particular individual students to accomplish our goals. Thank you for listening to Confessions of an Ag Teacher Educator. I look forward to seeing many of you at the National FFA Convention in Indianapolis, Indiana next week. Have a good one.